name is Sana Naseem. Welcome back to Quanta Mind's YouTube channel. Few weeks ago, I received an interesting question, and it was about what exactly happens in a Theta Healing class. I will be honest, I had assumed that anyone interested in this modality would already have some understanding of the class content, and I am genuinely grateful for this question because it reminded me how important it is to stay open to new learning experiences, to new questions, to personal growth, to maintaining a sense of curiosity. And it's a great lesson in not making assumptions and always be willing to explore and understand things with kindness. So in today's video, I'm going to share my own experience as a teacher of Theta Healing, and I will tell you what happens in a Theta Healing seminar or an online class. So in my opinion, when it comes to any holistic healing modality, you can teach what you know from your own experience only. Yes, theory is there, and at the same time, if we do not practice it, if we do not experience it, if we do not embody what we teach, I feel that we cannot teach it. So in Theta Healing, a teacher only teaches what they can be, or who they can be, or what they have experienced. So when you join Theta Healing seminar, maybe my Theta Healing seminar or any other teacher's class, you will notice that we do not just give out information. All the information is there in the book. And in class, we combine that information with our experience that helps students to experience what the teacher has already experienced, working with the clients, with the students, and by practicing in their daily life what they teach. And for me, this is a very important part of teaching. And at the same time, we maintain a sense of curiosity to see what else is there. How can we make it better for the student? So in Theta Healing classes, you will not only learn the key concepts, but you will also get to practice everything that you study. Every class is focused on building your skills as a Theta Healer. So if you want to use the skills for self-healing, you definitely can. And if it is your divine timing to take this path professionally, then of course you can. Every class is a complete package. There are multiple exercises that you will do in each seminar. And as a teacher, I do not just give talks. Of course, I talk a lot, but there will be a balance in the class. You will be put through exercises, there will be interaction, there will be belief work sessions designed by the Theta Healing headquarters. So this is an internal exploration. So an internal exploration takes place in the class. Internal exploration, which is very powerful in bringing out and resolving the limiting beliefs that you have. And then you will combine it with your already existing experience once you go deeper into the depths of your soul. So a teacher will teach you theory, of course, but you will also do experiential exercises in groups or individually where you explore the issues in a personal way. And once you're done with the exploration, and we call this digging in Theta Healing, once you're done with digging, we reflect on what you found about yourself, about your limiting belief. And then we work on what can support you with healing. And of course, you can, by doing all of this, you can find your own path. Now, of course, theory is there, but we practice in Theta Healing classes because the more we practice, the more heart, interest, and authenticity we bring to our work. And this can only be done by digging deeper into the life experiences. We can be there for other people at the right time when we have worked on ourselves, when we have practiced this modality on ourselves. And as a teacher, I will never tell you that you should do this, you should experience this, that this is the feeling that you should experience. But yes, I will encourage you to explore, to be more curious about what else can you experience, about what else can you experience by opening your mind to the magic of Theta Healing. And this exploration opens a portal to the depths of our being, of our existence. And you don't need a special map to move through the tunnels of your soul. The map starts where you are. So just like there's a GPS system, when you try to find a way to go somewhere, first that system has to find your own location, your starting point, and then it takes you where you want to go. So this is always the first step, and this is the first step in Theta Healing classes, where you find your location. Where are you? And who are you? This is what we focus on in the foundation seminars such as Basic DNA. Along with the theory, you build your foundation with the experiential exercises so that you can move towards understanding your emotions. Because many people do not feel their emotions. They feel that they don't know what it feels like to have certain emotions. So a major part of a Theta Healing seminar is to be in touch with emotions and feelings. And in these seminars, we will touch the essence, the source, the actual substance of each and every feeling that makes us who we are. So now you know what happens in a Theta Healing seminar. We work together, we go through lots of concepts, we study the theory, of course the book is there, and then we experience, we practice, we work with each other, we work on ourselves. So if you're ready to work on yourself, then join my Theta Healing classes and let's work on the gold that is within you. It is right there. The treasure is there. And in Theta Healing seminars, you learn to listen yourself intuitively, and then you are guided to that treasure. I'll see you soon.